Welcome to Keeping in Sync with Microsoft 365 for this week, the 22nd of August. Just a reminder, not everything you see here may be released at the date you expect it to, as dates may change, and also sometimes certain features are turned off by your IT team, or sometimes Microsoft will roll them out, default off, and they need to be turned on. So starting off in the world of SharePoint, there's a new feature that will allow you to configure how you'd like to open your navigation links on SharePoint sites. You'll have the option to be able to choose whether they open in the same tab or in a new tab for your site, your hub, or even global navigation items. Rolling out early September to mid-October. Exciting. Also in the world of SharePoint, there are a number of updates to certain web parts. So one of them is the group calendar. We'll be getting some visual updates, an indicator informing when a meeting is a recurring meeting, and also the capability to join upcoming Teams meetings online. So that'll be great to see. The quick links in the toolbar, you'll soon be able to easily explore different layouts available for the quick links web part, in that they will show as a drop-down option in the toolbar to make it easier for authors to get the look and feel that they want. The highlighted content web part is getting a small change in that if you're using the compact layout in the highlighted content web part, it will now, you'll basically now see that the web part is placed into a 2-column section, but your layout is retained. Also, Microsoft is introducing a new visual site theme to SharePoint themes called Periwinkle. Very exciting. The new theme adjusts to dark or high contrast mode when viewed in Teams. That's actually exciting. And the last one is for education only organizations, so universities, schools, those kind of things, is that anybody using the Teams assignments now will actually be able to add the assignments web part to Pages to provide students with a one-stop personal resource for all their class needs. This assignment web part can also be used with communication sites like a home site to display upcoming site assignments due across multiple classes. All these features are rolling out mid-August to late September. Now, in the world of Teams, unfortunately, I don't have screenshots for this like the previous slide. I didn't either. Meeting transcripts on mobile. So if it's enabled in your organization, you'll start seeing a start transcription right after the start recording in the meeting more options menu when using the Teams app on iOS or Android. You can also start the transcription during the meeting and view the transcripts after the meeting via the transcript in a meeting chat window, as well as seeing the recording or the transcripts under the meeting chat more tab. So you could do it on desktop, now you can do it on mobile. Also, another feature that we could do on desktop that you can now do on mobile is that if meeting attendance reports are enabled in your organization, then mobile users will also soon be able to start to see those, just like you do on desktop and web. This will allow you to check attendance for meetings and webinars, as well as registration information on mobile devices, both rolling out August to early September, mid-August to early September. Now, also, more topic on transcription. Now, as you can currently set meetings to automatically start recording once they begin, soon the transcription will also automatically begin for those meetings that are set to automatically record. Right now, transcription doesn't. So this now will, and is rolling out late August to mid-September. Now, fun fact, and what I love about this particular image, is that sometimes you can spot where the marketers have been a little bit lazy in terms of how thorough some of the visuals are. I'd suggest pausing the video and seeing if you can spot the errors. I've counted 2 that I've seen. Yeah, happy to hear if you've spotted them as well, or if you've seen any other ones. Now, to help create better boundaries and protect personal time, Viva Insights will offer the ability to configure quiet time to silence notifications from Outlook and Teams mobile apps outside of working hours. So you'll receive personal insights through the Viva Insights app in Teams and be able to set those quiet times directly from the Teams mobile and Outlook mobile apps. That's pretty cool. This is rolling out late September to late October. If you haven't used these kind of features in Viva Insights yet, please do. Helps with that whole work-life balance thing. Now, also in the world of Viva, the briefing email that helps you start your day on track by surfacing information to prepare for upcoming meetings and follow up on outstanding tasks, as well as protect time for independent work, is actually getting a bit of an update. If you don't use it or you ignore it, pause and just have a look at it, and it's actually your new work best friend. So a few of these updates that are coming to the daily briefing will actually help provide you with ways to fine tune the email that you actually see, which is great. So the first one is favorite and snooze. Currently, content in the briefing email is delivered in a pre-configured order, whereas soon with the briefing email, you'll be able to add the favorite, you'll be able to favorite items, or you'll be able to snooze items in the preferences to provide you with the ability to personalize and engage with the content that matters most to you. You'll also soon be able to change your favorite snooze preferences directly from the settings page. The other one is the time zone card, which Microsoft is introducing the ability for you to review, confirm, and change your working hours and time zone settings directly from the email to help ensure that it's sent to you at the right time for you, because hey, we're a global organization, or global organizations these days, so people are in different hours, and this is helping support that. Favorite and snooze is rolling out early October to mid-November, whereas the time zone card is rolling out mid-August through to late October. And that's it for this week with Keeping in Sync with Microsoft 365.